our new Miss Gay Earth 2010. As also our audience impact. Nga, mo na yung paabot o kinsay mo daon. Now, our second runner-up.
Namin ba ito, friend?
Okay. So, let's do. Runner-up. Number 6. Number 6. Tony Gonzaga. Yeah. Number 6, our second runner-up. And I'm awarded by Mr. and Mrs. Okay, ang kapitan sa Barangay Chunto and Mr. Kadish sa Barangay Chairman ng Barangay Chunto. Okay. The next is the announcement of the third runner-up. Okay, this is from 9, 5, or 10. Okay, our first runner-up goes to candidate number 5. Number 5. To be awarded by our Honorable Barangay Captain, Honorable Captain Seriano, which is Queenie Young.
Like that, and let me go. This how you wanted it to be. Everything you had to say. But if I know how I'm trying to forget the misery, don't you love me?
Okay, our new Miss Gay Earth 2010 come. Do the honor of announcing our new Miss Gay Earth. And none other than ang duha ka buok. Okay, it's none other than candidate number. One line, candidate number 9 from Tagbilaran, Bohol. Ayan. Okay, we would like to request our our hermano mayor. After the crowning, ayaw tayo tao magpahuli kaya bukan sa pagkadali ang atong Miss Gay Earth atong ihatag ang crown Mr. Richard Yap abang sa Miss Queenie Yap o ang atong barangay Captain Patrick Guerriano ang pagtagang bouquet ni Mrs. Cindy Yap ang buwang inaga ang tao na lang sponsor buhatag sa okay, please, ang atong hermana mayor sa ground, si Mr. and Mrs. Richard Yap.
Picture, guys! Dili ka na.
Paliho. Siguro sila Mr. and Mrs. Richard Yap. Atong palagpakan na ayan. Ayan na. Ayan na si Manahar. Pinasamahan niya. Kita na lamang. We would like to request our barangay captain, Honorable Captain Suriano, to crown our Miss Gamer. Okay. Okay, Mr. and Mrs. Richard Yap. And Nagag by Liz. Bigyan by Liz Kuya. Atong palakpakan si Ayan, si Madam Gigi. Mami nag-sponsor.
Yes.
Barangay Hermano Mayor, Madam Gigi. Mami na imo nila itong Miss Gay tungod sa
Nalindo sa microphone lang. Matawag. Kanta! Kanta ka ba?
Girl.
Kanta ka! Kanta! Mag-microphone.
Later na ang start nila sa
Nakamaghuwas ng mataw.
Okay, audience impact, mukanta pa nga atong winner. Atong singer.
Una mo tanan, ako po pasalamat sa atong labang makagamit ka sa nga ato ang patron, Senyor San Roque. Yes, kay kung dili nila, kung dili sa ato ang Ginoo, wala ko sa inyo atubangan karon. And even if I'm, I'm part of the Third Society, I'm a gay, I'm proud to be, and I'm the Word of God. So, ninyo tanan, especially with Beth. Thank you so much sa effort. Majarang.
Sir, makita ko yung mga picture nila. Kasi Sibra ba ko na eh.
Ayan.
Like, malulo na dyan na open. Wala yung picture sa gusa.
Number one. Ay, Diyos ko. Hirap talaga. So, pero, I would like to offer myself sa ato hermana o hermano mayor para tomorrow. Kung kita mo ito, kung wala galing may host, try me. Kung pwede lang. Para mas malingaw pag yung tantanan. Kaya murag nabitin ko kayo since this is a beauty pageant. Kaya so medyo pang maalala. Hindi na kanta. Pwede ko mag-swan home. At dito na. Here in my heart, melody I saw that came to sing.